Yeah, my beautiful family. Right now, me and my uncle in the bush. He's doing some sorrow. You know, just here, sharing with you guys what we are about to do right now. So guys, let's go. This is what we are doing. That's true, man. That's true, man. I'm not joke. Hope the camera quality is going on fine. That's how we do it out here, no? Fully outside, guys. You know? Guys, well at this sedan saying we'll clean up and farm. You know the thing. Alright, now on my phone I use do this because apparently I never walk with me with the vlogging camera, you know. That's it, that is it for the day, you know. Line up for cook one pot at night time to see me. I'm gonna try go around somewhere, which part when you cut off the head of that it can you know. Don't know a thing already. And then work out, you can protect yourself, you know. Right, good. Nice, beauty, yeah. Yeah, man. I want to tell you, say me the other take a work off I saw, you know, but you don't know, man, busy working. Nobody have no time for videoing. You see me? Yeah, man. Don't know, it's a great vibe still. Never lie. We'll leave a cool with that ground there, you know. I'm bust down a couple more tree in the evening and see them here. Open up the place. See apple and tree, guys. I wonder if you know see. Apple and tree. See that? Yeah. Good a deal. Yeah, man, see all the next little one there. Load up with apple, guys. I know the mouth must run water when you see them the guys. As me I tell you, say, I just me phone me I use do that little video, you know, so if it's not so clear, I don't know anything. But a Samsung, so I guess a little video, you know, look nice. Yeah, man. The vibes nice, sunshine and things, see me. See pretty. Yeah, man. All I wanna know pineapple. The pineapple tree there. And so I'm fine on it the same way. There you can see pretty. Yeah, guys. Whole heap of pineapple sucker that same way too. See pretty? Yeah, man, that's a vibes in the country. This is the country life sweet. That town I can't see that, you know. Yeah, man, you have to go pay if you go see that over one place there. Know what I mean? Never lie. Yo, it's a vibes out here. See how man use my shit turbo. Yeah, man. Time gone, they say man would have to cut up some whole heap of stick before we can get all one woman and then sitting there. Yeah, man, some big tree thump like then and then say we have to bust, you know. Yeah, man, and only easy work we have to take on before we can get people girl picking in them days, man. Yeah, man. Right now, money, they say. Yeah, yeah, money, you know, that type power. You see it? Don't know, so we have to put in the work. And you don't know, you have to take care and then sitting there. So you don't know. You could have deal. That me I talk about. Burn out some of them deadbeat father, they burn them out. When I put in the work and talk about, say yo, I love pitney, I have pitney and pitney wicked too when pitney grow older. I have to work hard and maintain them, you see me? Yeah man, so I have to work, this is what we have to do. You see it YouTube, never lie. So we have to do it man. You ready? Ready again too. What you mean? Right now I know I run on my way still them man right now them man they want money for do anything. If you can pack all 100 bag of coal you know you ready, but you have to have money, you know? Money have to right. Yeah. Yeah man. You know busy we are do to them right now no man. No man I could have cut down one nice 200 bag of coal there now and say yes, can do that. Yeah. Playing one. Yeah. I no joke. People need the coal them man. People need coal right now guys. See place up back. All the people sitting and go on and thing. So people need coal. Yeah man. Chicken get there I know. At the farm store but come like say the price now raise. Yeah. The one who raise now really get the real market them at all. I never chew a back yourself there. Yeah guys. I tell you. Yeah guys, it's a vibes out here, you know. Be a naturality. Yeah man, right now I'm gonna eat one of them play right now.
You not cook the pot again?
I mean if you not cook the pot. Alright, like how you talk about it, me go. Alright, I pot we are gonna deal there now. So right now we have to go work. I'm go check a coconut tree there down there so far. Spot one coconut tree guys. Like a couple coconut is on it, you know what I mean? See if any diagram. Can get a couple. I get it for even one. No what's not there here. Guys, you never can spot them up there. What if a creeper is on the tree? Then I want deep bush here as I can see. Yeah. But that's our vibes guys. I hope you guys see how my client actually look tired. You guys get coconut. That's our vibes. That's our vibes guys. Get coconut guys. Bush is made in a bush like. You can't take wasp bite. Yeah, look for it guys. And like one and one guys spot it before me. Oh, you guys are right underneath the side there. See it, Gina? Yeah, it's shaking. Nice coconut guys. They are going up the coconut them. 3 of them I find as I say. You know what thing go? Yard man style, you know? Yeah. Don't know uncle all the video there now. You see me? So I can go and do the right thing. No, when I go say for so long, I take for your coconut, no, but you know, we have to be patient when you use this machete. Because I build that, you know fear nothing. And then the machete respect you and that, now respect native bone. See it, look when it done, guys. Yeah, man, it's a vibe. Hope you no full jar that video. Done. Jaya one kind of more easier. The faster. Yeah, what the faster I could. Yeah, guys, it that don't know. I will start out the fire now for the pot. You see me? Yeah, guys, we can't show the water, you know, because the water, yeah, a boom water that when it go in a little curry, you know. You see me? Right now, we have cornmeal. Don't know, we have some flour in a bag that says speed. You see me? Little mixed flour style. You see me? Yeah, man, and we have cabbage. You see me? Yeah, man, we have sweet pepper. And we have tomato. We have hot pepper. I never remember if you carry the scallion, so. You see me? But once we have the pepper and the sweet pepper, you're supposed to go on and lead. You see me? So, at that for now, guys, about we get the coconut grate and all of that, so don't worry about it. They all try to do the right thing, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. I know I'm going to go full jar that video, see them here too. Yeah, guys. I want to keep like it up and share it up. Remember, my phone I use to vlog in today. You see me? So, I want to give me more support for now because I see say, yeah, fully active. You see what I deal with? Yeah, man. Anything to please you already, you know. You see, pray. Yeah, guys. I know I love you always like how you love me, you know. Yeah, guys. Fully active, man. You see me? Yeah, man. I can't to Joshy, never lie. You see, free? Yeah, man.
Yes,
fully outside. Alright? Yeah, get scallion, man. Yeah, get scallion. We're fully outside right now, fully active, you know, guys.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Now go help you enjoy the seat. Scallion outside. Cause give me scallion to spice the pot and time, you know? Yeah, man. I want that vlogging here go on a pattern town today, you see me? Yeah, man, over cause up on you see pray. Yeah, man, right next door over there, so we just go on. You see me? Get two grater for barrel and get two little stuff, you know? Get the thing process, get the thing going on, you know what I mean? So you know that's a vibes, guys. Yeah, man, so stay tuned for the coconut grater and all of that, you know what I mean? Start grater coconut now, you know what I mean? Guess what now? So all in one we are cook down right now. See me? See they will start grater coconut them, so you know that's a vibes. So stay tuned for that, guys. You know what I mean? Man, no trouble, you know, man. But they are going nice. No joke. But I tell you, you need no chicken or no pork. You see me? Welcome yard style. So just stay tuned. As me there I go and grate I coconut them and something. Yeah, man. So stay tuned for your fire light up and all of that. You know what I mean, guys? Yeah, man, that's a vibes. You don't know right now me about for done grate I coconut and all of that. So right now more show the little coconut water me have. Yeah, man. You don't know coconut water rich, you know. Alright, so that we are using, you know. We are using the water and I see me, you know, but don't know coconut water is the best. You know what I mean? Yes, so don't worry about it. Everything was nice. Here we are boast about the party. Yeah, man. You don't know when you're cooking, you want to cook for yourself alone now, guys. You see me? Yeah, man. So don't worry about it. Everything will go alright. Yeah, man. Stay tuned we put on like something on the pot, because we know now put it on with fire, so you know, man, go on. So, stay tuned for that, guys. Everything up. So, you don't know, guys, right now, that is it. Little sweet pepper and something. So, you know that all in one I go bad. You see me? We have a time said speed.
Right.
Yeah, man. We have a coconut milk in there, so see me rich in there, you notice a little tip we, you see me, we not juice it too rich because too water because I want it rich. That's why I do it. So about to cut up them and put them one side, get them out of the way, you see me? Yeah, man, so stay tuned for that, you know what I mean, guys? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That's the vibes. Have them like a meat tonight, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So welcome a yard style. You see me? djswicked vlogs over here. The unit natural. You see pre. Yeah, man. So don't worry about it, guys. Don't worry about it at all. They are going to do the right thing. Yeah, man. Fully active, you know. No, we do it already. Yeah, man. Fully active, guys. No joke about it. You say, guys, you don't know them, huh? We have to junk them. We don't want them to find out we don't have nothing to eat to the dumpling because we don't have no whole heap of nothing to go in it, you know. So,
Natural ital pot,
yeah. Definitely. Now, refine it out like so, yeah. We have 2 separate pots or 1 pot. Yeah, though. Not even 2 liter place. Yeah.
Can't lit up Jamaica.
Yeah, guys, that's a vibes, you know what I mean? So don't worry about it, man. Everything will go nice. Everything was spicy. You know, no good I say, oh, you know, you may talk about the salt, but don't worry about it. A light all pot can nice, you know. Yeah, we have to know if we cook it for it nice, you know what I mean? But a night all one this today, though. You see me? Sometimes we like cut up them because some and everybody like seasoning, so we like refine it out so when you eat
taste.
it's not even sweet. You see what I say? You just consume. Yeah, so real and proper we are going to dice them. You know? So don't worry about it. Stay tuned for when the pot is simmer down, you know? Yeah, man. Love you guys always. If you need the flour, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, so you don't know we not do no white flour today. You do some cornmeal flour. You see me, and I some packer sauce, as we said before, seasoning I will cut up. You see me, sweet pepper, scallion, hot pepper, you know, tomato. Yeah, so that are the vibes right there, so. And we have a little cabbage away, junk up. We go in it, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, we have the coconut juice ready and prepared, so well rich. You know what I mean? So you know no long water nothing we are dealing with today. So stay tuned, guys, for the vibes. You see me? Sister hands clean and all of that, so yeah, sister I'm not shaking nothing. Things have to clean and tidy what we are doing, you see me? So guys, are the vibes that is it. Now spit up in the flour, you know, so you know it go. That a little fireside, you know, so go sort out some stick. If you go in it, so stay tuned for that, you know, as me get the fire light up. Feel like more try that style of a catch a fire today. I'm something here off of the coconut tree. Yeah, normally we could use it catch a fire. And I go see how great me is. Me still skill without having to use plastic bag. So guys, stay tuned for that one there, you know. Yeah, man. See how skill me is, you know. try the liquid Derek, see if it's still a go work, you know? Yeah, man. Catch your vibes. See what's going on. If me still skin. Yeah, guys, look like the fire gonna leave now, guys. Yeah, that is it, guys. Gonna lead. Now me about to mud the pot, so me I go and make one little mud hole, so me can get the mud to mud the pot, you know. Don't know. I'm gonna do it right way. I'm mud it before. Right now I get some mud 100 because if you have mud it before, but I don't know sometimes as when we're going to have short and rough. So a piece of short and rough is today. And then a one pot we have to, you know, so that's the next thing too, guys. You see me? That's the vibes. You see me? Yeah, man. You know djswicked vlogs is here right now doing the right thing. So but to go on for fire now, you know? Go and take time. Bubble! So stay tuned for that one there, guys. Now me. Pot a bubble, guys. So you see me have to move little faster, you know. So don't know. Want to put in the little seasoning first, you know. Bush cooking, you know, guys. Don't know the ball game go already. Bush cooking, you see me? Yeah, man. Right, guys. Season sell off a pot and I'm put in little salt before. Cause you don't know. Never know what's a pot I go on. Yeah, guys. So put in the little cabbage now, guys. Ooh, cabbage. Take time sink the cabbage gem. Chew them junk by them. If you make two boil, you don't know. I'm going back down there. Yeah, guys, so I don't know how I'm going to do it now if I video it and make the flour them go in night, but don't worry about that part there, guys. I'll try to work it out for you guys, isn't it? Yeah, man, so that's the vibes. The rest them gone in night already. On the flour leaf to go in, so you don't know the thing go. I take time put in the flour them in the pot now. You see me, guys? I'm sorry you couldn't see when I make them. Don't know the thing go, guys. Survive. I pack them in there as you can see. Box. Yeah, guys, I don't know. Bush cooking today. My uncle that bush. Our next general, but you don't know. Just they are going to do the right thing, you see me? Yeah, man. Guys, there was a that will be a packy the food inside that pot. Yeah, man, you don't know the thing. Store fan down there now, because you want to get them for going out, you know what I mean? The man say store fan down there, you know? Try to get them. Down underneath it. The vegetable them. You see me? Because all in one as you say. If I touch them now, you notice all the changes go. Yeah, man. So make it get a little bubble. Then I eat that again, guys. Right now, I'm going to look for jelly in that tree. I don't even know if it's a skip. But I climb one tree today. I'm supposed to can do it again. And I'm long enough, guys, so I'm going to have to go forward. You guys you can't come for me climb jelly tree food and pick gel. You see me? Don't know how we do it already. And a food now we hunt it, cooking a go on there. Need water, so me say. That's why I just use one jelly and just rinse out the plate. You see it fresh, pot soon done it. Guys, you don't want to smell how the pot smell right now. I'm going to take the pot from here. You see what I'm jelly water. Yeah guys, natural water, you see me? Little rinsing out and all of them things. Natural water. So that is it guys. Wait on the pot for land, you know what I mean? Fire blaze there. Now I mean you put a sing. Yeah. See the dumpling they look different down in there, you know. Yeah man, that's why I show you a long water thing so by it we bubble down. Yeah guys, you know the vibes we go. Yeah man, so stay tuned for the vibes, you know. Yeah guys, that's it pre. Go if fire bubble. Bubble up underneath that so you don't know. Food of your bubble in a pot too. Take a look. What do you see? What a bubble. They're near to land, you know. Yeah man, they're near to land guys. Good idea. Don't look like it they're near to land guys. Talk to man. Near to land. You see me? I want to smell it right now guys. Tell you, feel like I would run with the pot and I cook it. I could have deal. Yeah, nice one pot this. You see me? All in one style. Could have deal. Stay tuned for the pot come off here. Yeah man, I show out food no one and go no to you know. Land the pot you know. I can't put it there shut up. Yeah man, I know how we do it already. The client man style, you see me? I need this towel to show how we do it out here. I'm a woman more I wonder how I so skill. That's how we do it, you see me? Yard man style. Yeah man, take a look guys. See that? Food ready. See the dumpling them? Look delicious. Ready for consume. Now man. Jesus Christ, wicked wait. I'm going to get in them food there. You see that? No joke. This is not chicken or pork. It's over on this side, every man share them one food, you know, sir. So yeah, me I share for me and him share for you. See me? Yeah man, no joke. Natural something, you know, yard man style. Yeah man, like whole heap of dumpling now guys, you see it. Yeah man, I meet that you know. As you realize no long water settings. You don't know the thing go. Right now we are bingo. Outside now. No that's short. You know I feel something for moms, you know. Swear I don't want moms. Hey, the people must say me craving. Yeah, I have to see something for moms, man. Them food are nice, yeah. Mom's all jealous when she reach over. You might go share for your food. See the spoon, take it out. Because when I ramp, you know, Rasta man, I will do it for you more than I know that. Okay, guys, this is more than delicious right now. Motor run water, guys. I swear. I swear, guys. Yo, I say motor run water. Motor run water, guys. I tell you, the scent alone, the fragrance, guys. I tell you, as a man who know good food, yeah, if I smelling kind of fragrance, they know say that food is shot, you know. Yeah, man.
The food you have to consume enough of them.
Oh, yeah, do, man.
I mean, because the same food you know, I'm strong, you know, man.
Yeah, do, man.
You know, a long time I'm not giving them food I feed, you know.
So we no boom off of them girl, you know?
You know, I mean, long distance, you know. Now if you use a China brush, now a spoon, you know.
Sure, man. Yeah, man. Right now, I go over coast, go look for a
You know, if you
spoon.
use a China brush or a spoon, you do them thing, you know.
You see me? Natural thing. Yeah, man. So, guys, stay tuned, you know. Don't know right now, I consume time.
Yeah, that is
You see me? Yeah. Man, see boss, I consume film. You see me? Yeah, man, fully outside, guys.
I'm talking about food too nice, you know.
Yo, guys, just imagine. Yo, I be cooking to the same road, so right now, man, crazy if you go consume this, guys. So, you wanna love you all, you know, and give thanks for watching. You see me? Keep subscribe, keep share it. You know what I mean? One love, guys. Peace out. Yeah.